All right, things to remember about conjugating verbs. When a verb ends in AR, ER, or IR, it is called an infinitive. The infinitive means to plus whatever the meaning of the verb is. So like bailar would be to dance, escuchar, to listen to, hablar, to speak. So you must conjugate it in order to have it make sense and add the appropriate verb ending. So hablar would be yo hablo, tú hablas, nosotros hablamos, etc. You don't need most pronouns when you conjugate the verb because estudio means I study by itself because of the way it's conjugated. You don't need to say yo estudio, but it's not wrong to say that either. You'll just notice that a lot of times it is omitted, the yo or the tú or the nosotros. With usted, él, ella, ustedes, ellos, those will always be placed or said at the beginning so you know who you're talking about, but then they are also usually omitted once the conversation is going. If you use the word not, it is no in Spanish, and it goes directly before the verb. So no trabajo means I do not work. So it goes right before the verb. If you add a pronoun, it still goes right before the verb. Yo no trabajo. Okay, another example is no me gusta. Okay, so it has to go right before the whole me gusta. To say no I don't when you're answering a question, or no he or she doesn't, or etc., you'll have to say no twice. So no trabajo. No, I don't work. If you added the pronoun, no, yo no trabajo. If you have two verbs in a row, and the first one is kind of like a helping verb. So the first one is conjugated, and the second verb is in the infinitive, meaning it's not conjugated, right? In the AR, ER, or IR form, depending on what verb it is. So, for example, me gusta bailar, necesito estudiar, deseo hablar español. That second verb is always going to be in the infinitive.